Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to delete junk files on Windows 11. For those of you who are Windows 11 users, you can follow the steps in this video to delete junk files. The first step, click Windows and R simultaneously to open the Run window. Then when this keyword The next step, open the Run window again by clicking the Windows and R keys simultaneously. Then you type this keyword. Click the Control and a button simultaneously, then you can immediately click the Delete icon. Please reopen the Run window by pressing the Windows and R keys simultaneously, then type a keyword like this. Press the Control and a keys simultaneously, then click the Delete icon. Okay guys, that's how to delete junk files on a Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.